What's up guys, Martin is back again with another banging video. And guess what? In this video, I will show you the fastest way to do your DJ mixes, alright? The fastest way to do your DJ mixes in 2019, okay? So thanks for clicking the video. If you're already a subscriber of the channel, respect, enough love, enough blessings, alright? If you have not yet subscribed, please I encourage you to do so. Hit the subscription button down below or just hit the notification bell, alright, to get notified when I upload new content. Okay, so let's get into it. Alright, so this may be useful if you are, let's say you're a DJ or you are an artist, a musician, and you want to record your set, all right, or, you know, your practice session or whatever. You can also use a couple of these steps to do so. Be sure to stick to the end of the video where I'll be showing you the exact DAW that I use and also additional DAWs that you'll be able to use that works great. In this video, I'll be using Studio One. I'll also be using my Rane 72 mixer. So let me just dive into it. Let me just show you real quick how I actually just structure it and get my mixes on the way. It takes less than 5 minutes. So let's dive down into it. You're gonna actually need a mixer, right, of some sort, or audio interface. But for DJ purposes, you're gonna need a mixer, right? So you're gonna need possibly like a Pioneer mixer, something that has the USB routing option, all right? So you're gonna need that, okay? So firstly, I open Studio One. So I'm just gonna right click. I'm just gonna add 3 tracks, 3 stereo track, right? I'm gonna go down to my mix right here to go where my audio interface settings is. Add the 3 inputs, right? So left deck, I'm gonna select it here. Right deck, select my right deck right there. And for the 3rd input, my sampler is on my session in, okay? So just apply that, hit OK. Then I'm going to do the same thing here. Input 1, input 2, input 3, session in. All right, so let me enable the record button, and then let me just play a track. Let me hit record. Let me just play a track from Serato. So I'm going to hit the Bosey that's on the actual left deck. So if you look right now, it's recording right there on my left deck, right? Let me switch over and go to Joanna instrumental, which is on input 2, and that's on my right deck. I hope you stay with me. Now stick with me, stay with me, you know what I mean? Joanna, you're easy. Bad tune, right? And then on my 3rd input, I have my sampler, right? So my sampler is actually, and just to note, I'm using an external sampler. I'm not actually using the sampler in Serato, right? Most of the times, I think it depends on the mixer you're using. You might be able to route it. When I had my Rane 62, I actually was able to route the sampler separately. But my sampler is on input 3, so let me just press up the sampler. Hold on. You see that? So everything is pretty much there, right? So deck 1, Bosey, deck 2, Joanna, right? And look how far over here we got the sampler track, right? Sampler track right here. So you know what I mean? So you could, let's say, show you, right? Option X. Okay, let me just delete these right here. And hold on, let me just bring that up here to the left a little bit and bring my effects over that is closer. Or let's bring it over here. Bring it over here where I could hear it. So I could even raise the sampler if I want. See that? All right, so as I said, you could go through, you could add compressors if you want to a track. So add a compressor to the sampler track. Bring on the threshold so you could, you know what I mean? So that's pretty much it. You go in, you export you edit and you export. All right, and it's just simple as that. You just go in, make your mixes, have 2, 3 tracks, 4 tracks, whatever amount of tracks you want to do, you just have that, and then you're able to just edit your mixes easy. So there you have it. It's simple as that. The fastest way to make your DJ mixes. As simple as that. And as I told you before, the DAWs I prefer are, I use Studio One, so that's on top of my list. You got Pro Tools, you have Cakewalk, Ableton for DJing purposes. Logic is another great DAW. All right, so I recommend get one of those DAWs. That's the only DAWs I can speak of. Those are the only DAWs that I've tried out and used. So get one of those DAWs and work some magic. So once again, thanks for watching the video. If you have not yet subscribed, please, I encourage you to do so. Hit the notification bell, like and share the video if you find it helpful or useful. Okay, like and share. Also, comment down, comment. Let me know what DAW do you use. And if you have been using this system, just let me know the DAW you rate and the DAW you use. If you want to know what cameras I use, if you want to know what equipment I use, I'll be putting them down in the description. So until next time, you know what Martin does, all right? Wait on it. You know what Martin does. Guess what? I'm out.